Hey everyone. So what do you do if the other side in your custody case or divorce case is incessantly disparaging you, harassing you via email or text message, and it's really counterproductive to actually being able to co-parent with them? My name is Bobby Buchanan. I'm a custody and divorce attorney in Chicago. JointCustodyAdvocates.com is the website. So this is an issue that comes up a lot in divorce and custody cases where you have one side that's really trying their hardest to communicate and collaborate with the other side to co-parent, to figure things out for the kid, to make the other side feel included, and then the other side is just sending really disparaging, mean things because they're angry and they're under the convoluted impression that being mean is the avenue to getting ultimately what they want. I don't know the logic there, but that's ultimately what's going on, that they're angry at you, and so they keep harassing you, disparaging you, and it's extremely counterproductive. So what are your actual options here? Well, in a custody or divorce case, there is something called what I call a non-disparagement order. Some judges call it a play nice order. And it's an order that will dictate exactly what type of communication is appropriate between you and the other parent. So that is one thing. You can ask the judge to enter that kind of order, or you can file a motion requesting that type of order. Most judges won't hesitate to enter that kind of order. The other thing is you can ask the judge to put you on what's called Talking Parents or Our Family Wizard. These are two apps that are basically text messaging on steroids. You can see when the other parent logged in and viewed your messages. You can give access to third parties, so attorneys, guardian ad litems, etc., can easily log in and see the correspondence. And it's a way of providing more transparency with the correspondence. The other thing that you can do is, if this is going on in the midst of negotiating a final agreement or negotiating something in court, you can possibly retract your offer. You can say, if you continue to communicate like this, I am not going to be agreeable to what you want. A lot of times people on one hand are saying, well, I want to be a joint decision maker, but at the same time, they are disparaging you. So you can retract your offer and say, I'm not going to be a joint decision maker, or we are not going to be joint decision makers if you continue to communicate like that. And you can also communicate to the other side that because of their communication tactics, you have no choice but to follow the order by the letter of the law, if you will. Orders are written so that there is some flexibility in there, and it's expected that parents will be flexible. But if this parent is so disparaging and so mean, then it's not necessarily going to work that you are flexible with the orders, and you can let the other side know that you're not comfortable deviating from the specific language of the order of itself. That's just a few things that you might be able to do. It's a really frustrating, really difficult situation to be in. So I wish you the best of luck. Talk to you soon.